Gigi the Gadget Goddess, and we're back outside, and we're back with another LG wing case. Now, I said I wasn't buying a lot of cases for this phone, but I've been kind of disappointed in this one. I had it less than a week, and we did this number where we got a scratch, not dropped. And I've been careful about what I put it next to, on top of, etc., and it's still scratched. There are quite a few little scratches on here. You can only probably pick up that one big one. But yeah, I just wanted to show you a bit of that before I box it up to get it out of here. I know people say cases are made to protect your phone and keep your phone from receiving these scratches, but like I said, I had this on less than a week. I am going to return this nifty case to Amazon, and we're going to give the Spigen Thin Fit case a try. I got this in blue, and I got it on Amazon as well. Link will be in the description. Spigen always gives you this nice little pull you pull out, and it's a navy blue case. I know I wanted something clear to show off the beauty, but I also wanted something simple to use, snap on, snap off. I'm not sure what this blue thing is protecting, but hey, we'll see. They give you instructions on how to remove the case from your phone and how to install it. They want you to remove that protective blue film before you put it on your phone. So we've cleaned this phone up. It's all nice, sparkly, and blingy. Oh, it's a sticky kind of sensation back here. I'm not gonna put too many fingers on it. Make sure we got all those locked in. It feels a lot thinner than the last case I had. Let's wipe this down. I have not had a screen protector on this phone at all, but I have not seen any scratches pop up like they did on the case. Silly me. I missed some other sticky tabs. Look at this hanging out. Let's take that off. This is why you watch the video, right? Dog here and there. So all of that is sticky. Clearly, these tips that I need to take off are going to be sticky as well. I guess wing cases took the same approach that fold cases took and added adhesive to all of their phone cases to make sure that they stay in the phone. So there's 4 pieces of sticky tape in here. I despise these little sticky things, but as long as they actually come off and don't bring the adhesive with them, they're fine. So I'm gonna give the phone one more good wipe down. I didn't pick up too much lint in between all that. Thought I'd turn the sound off when I still hear it dinging. So we have a case on. We'll start off the selfie cam. That pops up just fine. We have an opening on the side for our buttons versus the casemate that had buttons, which a couple of those had started chipping. Again, I haven't had this case but so long, and it's not really worth the $30 I paid for it. This one ran me about $15, I believe. We have a lip around the camera that's going to protect it because the camera does sit up a bit. Not quite as much as some of our Samsung devices, but everybody's using these raised cameras. There's no front protection, as is the case for most of cases for the LG wing. It's just a plain case with Spigen branding on the back. We have cutouts for our charging port, speaker, and microphone. And everything swivels as it should. So we're gonna give this case a try. Again, it costs a bit less than the casemate case. It feels better in the hand, although it's a bit more slippery. The neighbor's dogs are restless, so I'm gonna go ahead and shut this video down. And thank you for watching. Thank you for all those who subscribe and the members who have joined the channel. And I hope to catch you on the next video. Holla!